So what I'm carrying today is the Bradford Guardian 3.5 drop point. Love this thing, it's awesome. Been carrying it every day since I got it. And I'm also carrying the Victorinox Airlocks Hunter Pro. Great knife, love this thing. And I don't know why, but it just found its way in my pocket. A little, is that Delta Z or Delta 2? I don't remember. California legal switchblade. Legal to carry. It's a fidget thing. Alright, let's get into the petrified fish. I don't want to slash the box, so going careful. This turned up in a Amazon bag, and this inside of it. And I did just look on Amazon. I can't see them there, but if I see them, I'll drop a link as usual. I like the box, looks familiar. Alright, here it is. I had a choice of colours. I think it was a choice of 4 colours: black, green, blue, forget what else, but I fancied a bit of blue. Throw some colours into my knives. And the designer of this one, his name's on there, David Chen. See that, David Chen there. G10 handles, D2 steel, D2 on the flipper there, and 818 is the model number. It's on the other side of the flipper. I love the work that's gone onto these pivot screws. Really nice. And the clip there is recessed, so that should carry really nicely. Right hand only for the clip. First flipper flip. Oh yeah, smooth as silk. Now these come in either a stonewash finish or a satin finish, and I wanted to try the satin. Look at the bevels there on the blade. See the beveling going on there. And the blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters. See if it, yeah, drop shut, nice. Well, this is my first knife from Petrified Fish, and I'm really pleased with it. Liner lock there. Let's check the blade center, and I haven't even looked at that yet. Perfect. Perfect blade centering. Look at that. There's the PF, Petrified Fish logo. Feels great. Let's get the scales out and see its weight. Probably an 8. Yeah, T8. I'm not going to mess with it, it's set up perfect. And I guess they're T6. Yeah, T6. T6 and T8. You really ought to get yourself a set of these. Comes with the extension bar if you want to get into the deep to reach places. But these are good sets. I like good tools. I don't want to strip out. I don't want to strip my screws with cheap rubbish tools. Anyway, back to the blade. That opens so nice. Blade sharpness. Yeah, that feels really sharp. So sharp, it's, look at that. Razor sharp. Liner lock is easy to touch there. The cutaway reveals it. The scales here, that channel that runs down, it just feels great. Fingertips sort of rest in there. The jimping on the top of the blade. Jimping's just right. It's not too aggressive, not too soft. Really impressed with the grind work here. It looks awesome. Look at that. Well, I'm going to have to keep this one out for playing with and carry it for a little while. I've got another petrified fish on the way, a more expensive one. 3.6 ounces, 3.7, in between, 3.6 and a half. Let's see what that is in grams. 104 grams. Let's check the blade length. 3.5 inches exactly. Which is the cutting edge too. The cutting edge is 3.5 inches. Centimeters. 9 centimeters. That blade tip's got plenty of meat up there. It's a real pointy, stabby sharp. Stabby. Well, yep, this one's a hit. For sure, 100% hit. Awesome. Very, very well made. I'm really loving these well made in China knives. Yeah, petrified fish is up there in the really nicely made, less expensive knives really. I mean, look at this. Perfect centering. Look at that. Can't ask for better than that. Let's check the detent on it, see if it'll shake open. Nope. That will not shake open. So it's got a good detent on it, opens like a dream, drop shut out the box. Can't ask for more than that. Awesome, love it. Alright, I'll do an update after I've carried this for a while, a few weeks or so. Alright. I like that it has the lanyard hole only on the one side, and it's on the side of the clip. So if you wanted to use the clip and a lanyard, it's going to be on the clip side, which is going to work great. Yeah, I really like that. A lot of thought gone into this one. And it's plain looking, it's just straight lines, it's super nice. I like it a lot. Like I say guys, if I can find a link, an Amazon link, I'll put it up. If not, try going direct to petrified fish. You'll get it that way. But if you see them, jump on them, because these things are not going to hang around long. Sweet knife. Catch you later guys. It's a good size, it's a full size knife for sure. Beautiful knife. Yeah, oh, great bit of kit. Looking forward to using it.